Hey guys, it's week 2 of raising your own meat chickens, and this week isn't too much different than the first week, but there are a few things that you'll need to know. During the second week of owning these chickens, you're going to start to notice that they drink a lot more water and eat a lot more food. So keep an eye on these things, make sure you check it several times a day, especially if you have a smaller watering system and food system. Just make sure they don't run out. So this week you're going to have to start weaning your chickens off your heat source. To do this, start on a warm day and shut off the light during the day only. You can turn it back on at night, and then as you do this a few days, you can start leaving the light off all night. Unless it's a really cold night, you might want to leave it on. Another way you can do this is by raising the heat lamp a little bit every day until you can eventually take the heat lamp away altogether. What you want to have is the chickens to be completely off the heat lamp at least 2 days before you move them out. This also means that you're going to need to start either building or purchasing whatever you need to keep your chickens outside. What I like to use is called a chicken tractor, and this is basically just a floorless coop that has 4 walls and a roof. That way it keeps them safe from predators, and it just sits on the grass, and it's just open floor, so they have plenty of grass to eat. The second week of having these chickens is a good time to start finishing your chicken tractor, because in the third week you're going to be moving them out on the grass. I hope that you're enjoying these videos about how to raise your own meat chickens. If you don't want to miss out on the upcoming videos, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.